Hello everyone and welcome back to my little channel. Today I'm sitting at my home in Amsterdam. It's Monday and I have received my September goodie box. It is very convenient to receive this box on Monday because you have a boost of energy for the whole working week. Before we start unboxing the September goodie box, I would like to give you some feedback on the limited edition goodie box in collaboration with ecooking. So I've started using 4 of the products. Let's start with this foot cream. I like the effect of it very much. When you put it on your feet, it doesn't feel sticky on both your hands or your feet. The smell, it reminds me the tiger balm, but it is more gentle, and when you wake up, your sheets do not sting like when you put the tiger balm on. So yes, I'm using this foot cream pretty much every night and I like it. When I was opening the box, I read the description of this peeling mask and it said something about the reddishness, irritation of the skin, and that it is a normal effect. So I was a bit scared to use it, but then I got the comment. I've received the instructions from Katrine Kress about how to use this peeling mask. I followed the instructions and I didn't have any side effect or redness, and I'm very much satisfied with the product. You put this product on your face for 5-10 minutes. You begin for 5 and then 6 and then 7, and you do it before you go to bed, so your skin is not irritated by anything while it's been peeled. After I remove this peeling mask, I put this day cream. It says that it is an intensive moisturizing cream, and I hope it doesn't matter that I put it in the night time, though it says day cream. Last but not least, I tried this moisturizing mask. Once I did it overnight as is suggested on the packaging, but this mask has a wet face effect. You're sleeping basically with the wet face and you're scared to touch the pillow. You're trying to sleep on one side, so I was very tense. That is why I'd rather put this mask over the daytime. Finally, let's open the box. It's of this light purple color, lavender, I guess. Oh, very juicy combination of purple and orange, love it. So the theme of this box is the when in doubt, dance it out box. The saying would be, I won't be sorry for shaking my booty to heal when I'm moody. I'm concluding that the motto of this box is dance at all times, especially when you're moody or upset. Okay, let's start. And the first day we have this product, which is anti-wrinkle collagen 6 packs. By the way, when I open it, it says have a beautiful day. Thank you. Oh yeah, that is protection marker, so you know that the product was not opened in the store before you use it. Now when I open this box, I will have to use the product. Let's see what it is. So this product, it's some powder which you put in your smoothie, and it has anti-wrinkle effect. And we have 5 of them. I will use anti-wrinkle effect. Yeah, I don't know. I might also send it to my mother, maybe. She won't mind that the packaging is opened. Oslo Skin Lab The Solution Anti-Wrinkle Collagen. You would never guess what it is, but it's 5 sticks of smoothie powder. Every stick contains 2.5 grams of pure collagen powder, and it should be used as a food supplement. I guess you can use it to your milkshake, smoothie, your breakfast meal, etc, etc. This packaging is very cute, but I wonder why would you use so much paper for just small portions of powder? And we have a hair mask. Maybe I've already mentioned it before, but I like hair products. Suitable for dry hair, infused with pure monoid de Tahiti oil and vitamin E. Your hair will glow again. This hair mask is ideal for dry, over-processed or colored locks and for hair that needs a little bit of extra care. After 3 to 5 minutes of having this mask on your hair, you should rinse it well and use it once or twice per week. We've received this small tube of eye product. It's revitalizing for your eyes. Let's see how it works. There are no use instructions on the packaging itself, but on the Goodiebox website it just says to put this cream gently underneath your eyes in the morning when you want to refresh them. As you can see, this is a primer from Figs and Rouge. We've already received a few products from this brand and also I believe from this line because it has this pink color with golden letters. That was a shiny serum and shiny cream. The directions for the use are: moisturize before application, use a small pea-size amount, lucky because it's a small package. Apply your makeup few seconds after you put on the primer. It also says that you can alternatively use this product after the makeup by applying it on top of the makeup to make it flawless, whatever that means. This one will probably go to my sister because she uses foundation on a daily basis. Here we received this mysterious tube, but I know what it is because I've watched the August unboxing videos from another countries, and this is a lip scrub, but the packaging is so cute and nice that I think I will give it as a present for sure. So that you know, inside this box you have a small tube of lip scrub. The tube looks a bit like this, actually not much bigger. This is 7 milligrams and this is 12 milligrams. The directions of use for this lip scrub is using your index finger, not any other finger. Gently massage the salve onto lips until sugar crystals melt. Then rinse with cold water, not warm, not hot, cold water, or wipe with a wet tissue to reveal soft, gentle skin. As for my taste, too many instructions for a simple lip scrub. Everyone knows how to use the lip scrub. Just wait till the sugar melts. Just take a look on how beautiful the packaging is. The image, how it intersects, the flowers. Just wow. And the last product from this box, let's see. Okay, it is a protection mask from the blue light from the laptop or your mobile phone. Wash your hands and face, obviously. Apply a thin layer to your face and leave the face mask on during the day. I feel like it still protects your skin, not the eyes, logically. This mask stays on your skin during the whole day, and it says with kind of big letters that it was made in Amsterdam, where I'm sitting right now. This protection mask is from the Specialized series and it's fresh made. It prevents premature skin aging caused by the blue light, HEV light. Let's see how it smells. Will I open it? Will I open it? I am thinking now, if you have to put this mask on your face and leave during the day, that should be the day you're wearing no makeup. I will give this one a try. Thank you for watching this video and sharing this happiness moment with me. I will see you next time, but for now, have a nice day or night.